Ready to ditch the dull and dive into the drama? The shag is back, reinvented, and totally rules 2025 hair scene. Which modern shag will define your look? 1. Bottleneck Shag. This style masterfully blends face-framing layers with a soft, full fringe, making it an excellent choice for those with finer hair seeking volume and movement without heavy styling. It beautifully accentuates the jawline and cheekbones, offering a versatile yet low-maintenance vibe. The bottleneck shag is especially suitable for oval and heart-shaped faces, as the softer curves of the layers create balance. Opt for this cut to transition seamlessly from a professional setting to a casual night out, as its effortless texture always looks intentionally styled. 2. Mullet Shag Mug. A daring take on a classic, the mullet shag is ideal for those with thick hair who want to remove bulk while embracing an edgy, rock and roll attitude. The short, choppy top and longer length in the back create an unmistakable silhouette perfect for self-expression. This style is surprisingly versatile and works exceptionally well with natural waves or curls, providing shape and definition where traditional bobs often fall flat. Choose this cut if your goal is maximum texture and minimal commitment to perfect symmetry. 3. Parisian Shag. Effortless chic is the hallmark of the Parisian Shag. It features a softer, less aggressive layering pattern and is often paired with an iconic, eyebrow-grazing full fringe. This look is perfect for the individual seeking a timeless, polished yet carefree aesthetic, best suited for straight or slightly wavy hair. This variation requires minimal product and can easily be styled with just a quick tousle of the fingers. It gives the illusion of fullness and is highly recommended for women with a classic sense of style. 4. Curly Shag. The shag is a dream cut for curly hair, as the strategic layers release weight and allow curls to coil naturally and spring up. This prevents the dreaded pyramid shape and creates beautiful, airy volume around the crown. If you have naturally textured hair, this style is a game changer, dramatically reducing styling time by relying on the hair's natural texture. It's an empowering cut that celebrates natural curl patterns and adds a trendy edge. 5. Micro-Shag. This is the ultimate short hair transformation, taking the traditional shag and condensing it into a highly textured, collarbone grazing length. The Micro-Shag is fantastic for adding lift and volume to fine hair that often struggles with shorter styles. A perfect choice for angular faces, the choppy layers soften sharp lines, while the overall shortness elongates the neck. This cut requires minimal blow-drying and shines when styled with texturizing paste for an edgy, piecey finish. 6. Long Shag with invisible layers. For those hesitant to lose length, the long shag with invisible layers offers the movement and shape of the shag without sacrificing inches. The layers are strategically placed to create volume on top and blend seamlessly into the length. This is an excellent solution for thicker hair that needs internal weight removed for better manageability and swing. The long layers prevent the cut from looking too heavy and create beautiful fluidity with a casual wave or curl. 7. Wavy Lob Shag. The loblong bob is elevated with shag-like layers to create a highly sought-after, live-in texture. This mid-length style falls perfectly at the collarbone, making it flattering for all face shapes and easy to maintain. The shag layers give the lob a contemporary update, adding volume to the roots and making the hair look intentionally tousled. It's the ideal style for a quick heatless wave or a messy, textured air-dry finish. 8. 70s Feathered Shag. A true retro revival, this shag features dramatically flicked out ends and heavy, sweeping layers that create volume away from the face. It's a great option for straight hair, giving it the structure needed to hold a voluminous, blowout style. The feathered layers are excellent for slimming the face and highlighting the bone structure, especially the cheekbones and eyes. This style requires a bit more blow-drying effort, but delivers unparalleled vintage glamour. 9. Textured Wolf Cut Shag. Sitting between the mullet and the shag, the wolf cut takes the heaviest layering from both. It's defined by extreme volume on the crown and wispy, tapered ends, providing a wild and youthful energy that is perfect for street style. If you have naturally straight hair that lacks volume, the heavy, stacked layers of the wolf cut shag can create instant lift and dimension. This style looks best with a slightly messy, bedhead finish achieved with dry texture spray. 10. Bangless Shag. For those who love the layered body of the shag, but can't commit to a fringe, the Bangless Shag focuses on face framing layers that begin around the cheekbones. It opens up the face and is highly versatile for different partings. This cut is particularly flattering for round or square faces, as the absence of a fringe and the vertical lines of the face framing layers help to elongate the facial structure. It provides the texture and movement of a shag without the daily commitment of styling a fringe.